Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to open up this cool package I got in the mail a few days ago. This is something I wasn't really aware existed until I saw another YouTube video showing how cool these things were, so I'd like to give a shout out to Silver Joker, who presented his collection of these the other day. I believe he says he has 20 of them, and there's 24 in the set, so I went out there looking, and one particular eBay user had 4 of them that were on an auction block and ending on just about the same time. Hopefully I didn't outbid Silver Joker, but he said he had most of them, so reasonably priced. My wife's a big fan, so I thought I'd buy a few of them, get a collection going. So let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut this thing open and see what's in here. It's got some nice weight to it. Just love getting heavy packages in the mail. We know it's more than an ounce, and that sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and get the invoice out of here, put that over there, and see, we have one package here and another package here. So let's see what we have. Now, one of the questions I had, I believe I posted online and didn't get a response, was that these were 999 fine silver with 24 karat gold plating. And as you can see here, it really is what they are. You can see the gold. Gold plating doesn't look to be in very good shape. It appears to be peeling off, but all the same, not all of our bullion's great looking. This is, as long as it's 999 ounce of silver, that's really what I'm after. But let's go ahead and see what a couple of these look like. So there's the Norman Rockwell. It's the Norman Rockwell collection. It was produced by the Hamilton Mint. So I'm going to take it out of this flip here because this tape and everything's blocking quite a bit. It's in some airtight, so that's pretty cool. But so here's again the picture of the painting, and on the back it says Portraits of America by Norman Rockwell, The Undercover Man, 1921, the Hamilton Mint. So I think that what I kind of thought on the pictures was that this was toning, but it really appears to be this gold plating that they put on there that we're seeing there. And let's look on the side here. I thought there was something on the side. Let me go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so I took a closer look, and over on the side here says, I'm not going to be able to get it. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus in better on it. I don't think so. Anyway, what it says is, again, let me read it to you. It says 0.999 FS for fine silver, and then / 24 karat EGP, so probably electro gold plating or something like that. And then it's got a couple more symbols there, so sorry that I can't show that to you a little bit better, but it is on there. I was concerned that there was no 999 fine silver on there, but it truly does have it, so looks good. So again, that is the Undercover Man. You can almost kind of see it there. Yeah, it's not a bad shot over the side of it there. So anyway, I like it. Pretty nice. Got it for a good price. Good to add to the collection. So that again was the Undercover Man, 1921. Let's take a look at the next one here. I'm going to take it out of the flip. Nicely packaged though. Seller packaged it up pretty nice. This one says Portraits of America by Norman Rockwell. The First Haircut, 1918. The Hamilton Mint. So as we can see here, now this has a lot better gold plating on it as far as consistently, but it's pretty chipped over here. See if I can get my camera to focus in a little bit better. There we go. It's got some chipping on the plating over here. But all things considered, still, it's a nice piece of bullion. Not thrilled about the gold plating. I usually don't buy stuff with gold plating on it, but it's okay. Little unique to add to the collection. And reminds me of my little granddaughter there getting her hair cut, so it's pretty cute. I like that one. So let's see, I have two more here. These are really stuck in there. These corners on these flips get all caught up in that plastic and make it almost impossible to get out of there. So here's two more. I'm not sure if these stickers on these flips have anything to do with it. Probably not. So let's take a look at this next one here. And this one is Portraits of America, Norman Rockwell, The Wave of the Future, 1949, the Hamilton Mint. And boy, isn't this old school. Kid on his roof hanging up a TV antenna. Wasn't that long ago we all needed to have that to watch our stuff on TV, but not anymore. So, and this looks like toning, but I believe it's just peeling of the plate. But, you know, if I had it my way, it wouldn't even be gold plated, just be fine silver. But again, very cool collection. Very nice to add to the bullion stack. And then finally we have the Portrait of America by Norman Rockwell at the Depot, 1927, the Hamilton Mint. This one looks pretty nice. On that side anyway. This side shows a couple people sitting on a bench reading a book. Again, it's got the looks like toning on it. I mean, that's kind of cool looking. And we can see the lettering on the side there. 999 fine silver, 24 karat gold plated. But anyway, I think this is very nice to add to the collection. I'll see about you know, possibly getting some more. Don't know that I will, but you know, if I can get them for a good price again, don't see any reason not to. It's bullion and collectible. Maybe somebody would be more likely to pick them up because they're Norman Rockwell, because I know there's a lot of Norman Rockwell fans out there. So anyway, that's it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for talking bullion with me, and please subscribe and share this if you think somebody else might enjoy the video. Take care.